Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to the Peachybbies channel. So we're having another restock video this week. I know 2 in a row, that's actually insane for me, but this one's gonna be like short and snappy and kind of Instagram-ish. So let me know if you like this style of editing. Restock was yesterday, but we still have a bunch of slimes in stock, so definitely go and shop the video while you're watching the video. So let's get into the slimes. First of all, we have Daydream Jelly. I actually had a slime called Daydream Gloss in the mystery minis for June exclusively, but I really wanted to make another one very similar to it because I was so obsessed with it. So we have Daydream Jelly. Then we have Galaxy Batter. So you guys know I have a line of batter slimes. I always add more into the line, and it is part cloud cream and part jelly. When you mix it together, it makes like a really fluffy, really soft, inflatable slime, and I am in love with the texture. But this one is scented like Stardust, so it's kind of a light, sweet scent. It smells really good. It's definitely one to go for if you're not into super candy-like scents. And then it has the cutest glitters. Like there's moons and stars and all these things on top of it, and it legit looks like a galaxy. I think this is probably top 3 batters I've ever made. So definitely check this one out if you guys are into those slimes. And then next we have just the batter. So this is cake batter, swirl, except for without the swirl packets. I noticed a ton of you guys were requesting a slime that didn't have the cake batter packets, or I saw just not a lot of people were adding the swirl packets on. So I wanted to give you guys an option to just pick up the cake batter slime. So this is a true cloud cream. It's the exact same texture as cake batter swirl, scented exactly like cake batter. It's actually like, I talk about this all the time, but it has like 6 different scents that I blended in it, but it smells so realistic. It is so delicious. You guys are gonna love it if you're into cake batter scents. And then this one just has cute little confetti sprinkles in it. Then we have Minty Chip Clouds. Last week I released Cotton Candy Clouds. You guys went insane for it. I restocked it twice that week and they sold out both times. So I wanted to make another in the series of DIY jelly slimes. This one is scented like mint chocolate. It's a really light mint, so if you're afraid it's going to be too overpowering, don't worry. I totally kept that in mind, but it smells super delicious, really chocolatey and just really rich smelling. So definitely love that. And then the top is a really thick icy and the bottom is a clear. You guys get to mix them yourself. They don't mix in shipping, and it turns into a jelly slime after you leave it sit for a few days after you've mixed it. So it's a fun texture when you're mixing it and after you've played with it. I really wanted to do something that would be just as fun, you know, like a week after you mix it so that it doesn't get boring. And then this one inflates a ton. Like it literally made 2 12 ounces after I was done inflating it, which is insane. Then we have the longest name I think I've ever named a slime. This one is Confetti White Chocolate Cookie Dough. So this one is the same texture as the Just Batter slime or the cake batter swirl slime, but it is more of like an angel food cake scent. It's a little bit lighter, a lot sweeter, more of a cotton candy kind of undertone thing, and it is more of a pink colored cake batter. So if you guys are really into the cake batter scents, don't worry, I got you. I have 2 of them in store right now. Next we have Peanut Crumble, which is actually inspired by an ice cream flavor I saw on Instagram. So this one is similar to the batter slimes, except this one is a bit more clay heavy, so it will inflate a bit more for you. So this one has swirls of peanut butter mousse cloud cream and then a strawberry jam jelly slime mixed together. It kind of smells like a really sweet PB&J. If you like peanut butter, you will love it. It's like a sweet and salty mix. It's delicious and it's so good and it inflates a ton and it's just a really, really good slime overall. I typically don't make a lot of like peanut butter or chocolate flavors, but I wanted to branch out a little bit. So if you guys like them, definitely snatch them while you can because I don't know how many I'll stock. Then we have another fruit gels to add to the line. This one is Kiwi Juice. And I know what you're thinking, is it this neon in person? And the answer is definitely yes. This one's super vibrant, really, really colorful. I love it. I think it's super fun to have like a neon colored jelly slime. And then this one is scented like a really juicy kind of kiwi lemonade scent. Really yummy. I love it a lot. This is definitely top 3 favorite fruit gels if you guys love kiwi scents. And then it has like the cute little kiwi phemos and the cute little kiwi seeds. I really like this one, okay? I can't say enough good things about this one because it's so cute and like on brand if your brand was kiwis. You feel? I don't know if that made any sense, but it's cute, you know? Then I don't know if you noticed, this is like completely random, but I've been trying to play with my slimes a little bit differently. I don't know if anybody noticed or not, but I've been doing that thing where you puff it up and then you squish it. Let me know if that's satisfying because I've been doing it and it's really fun to do. I definitely recommend you do it with your slimes, but don't know if it looks good on camera. Anyways, this is cotton candy dipped cone. So this is like the sister of cherry dipped cone, which I had last week. This one is scented cotton candy with a cotton candy ice cream kind of scent. The bottom is going to be clear, and then the top is going to be a vanilla soft serve butter slime. You mix it up and it makes this super, super inflating light pink kind of vibe. I really like this one as well. If you guys are really, really into the cotton candy scents, which it seems like a ton of you are, I have another one for you, and it smells so good. Then this is kind of just extra videos that I filmed because low-key my video was not 10 minutes long and I really wanted to make sure that it was 10 minutes long because that's how YouTube works. And I wanted to throw in some of my favorite videos that I filmed for the week and some of the slimes that are still in stock so you guys can just check those out. So this is going to be more of an ASMR portion of the video and a big batch portion of the video. So we have a ton of different like slimes to watch and some BINGSUs. Onyx clusters and then rose quartz clusters are both in stock, by the way. I mentioned them on Instagram. I don't typically mention the slimes that I'm restocking rather than the new slimes on YouTube. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the new slimes, either go to the website or go on Instagram because I'll typically post those more there. Just because if I posted all the old slimes, this video would be like 30 minutes long, and I don't know if anybody really wants to sit there and listen to me for 30 minutes. Anyways, I'll leave you guys for a few minutes to hear some really sick ASMR, and I'll be back. And that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys liked it, if you guys are buying any slimes, or if you have any questions about the restock. Definitely let me know down below. I'll be hanging out for the first hour that this video goes live. I also kind of want to start filming different videos for this channel along with the restocks. So if you guys have anything that you would want to see me do, let me know. I really want to work on it, and I just want to make better content or more content for you guys. So yeah, give me some ideas that you really want to see. Okay, cool. Other than that, I love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.